So let's say, for example, you're writing a blog or making a YouTube video and you need some SEO keywords to help others find your particular video, or let's say, for example, help you find your blog. In that case, let's say, for example, I'm going to say I just wrote a blog on the benefits of technology in education. Give me keywords that I can add to it right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, then what happens is that it simply goes around, and then you can see that it adds in all of these particular keywords right here, just like this. So usually what happens is that these SEOs need to be added in with comma in blog or YouTube video right here. In that case, I can go around and say, give me this list of keywords separated by commas right here, just like this. So now what happens is that it simply goes around right there, and then you can see that it adds in commas to these particular keywords right here. So now what you can simply do is you can go around and go ahead and copy this and then paste it out in your blog post, attach it there, or your YouTube channel video. So that is how you can generate SEO keywords inside of Google Gemini. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.